What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys might be able to hear Vic. I don't know, maybe. Anyways, we are riding. We got Vic in front of me. We got my bike, and then we got Joey. I don't know if you guys can see him in the GoPro, but he's right there on his new to him, the 2015 FZ09 or MT09. We're riding to go eat, and they're gonna go to the gym after. But tell me if you guys like this idea. So, after work motovlogs, stories, shit that happens at work, because I've been chased by dogs, everything. So, what's up, buddy? Yeah, what do you guys think of that? Motovlogging after work, or after work motovlogging? I don't know. We'll see. We'll come up with a better name. This is not going to take over from typical vlogging, which is our car stuff. Kyle's G35, my Mustang, maybe his Scat if he doesn't sell it. So we'll see. Got some explaining to do also. Bike, I had the bikes in September. Didn't see any motovlogs on it because it was actually in the shop. I thought it was the cooling system because my coolant reservoir actually cracked on me. So I thought I got a bubble in the system. I fixed the coolant reservoir. I couldn't get this bubble out. Come to find out, the stock exhaust flap actually shut itself completely. Yeah. So the bike... I wonder what happened. Hey, you can't park there. The bike was getting warmer than what it normally was, so we took it to the shop, and the like I was saying, the exhaust was shut. So it had the factory exhaust on it for a while. I was gonna leave it on until I got the aftermarket exhaust. It was getting hotter. Normally it would run 180, 185, 193 was the highest. Then next thing I know, I'm riding and it's at 210 riding, come to a stop 222. So I didn't want to mess with it, so I dropped it off the shop. Same time Kyle dropped his bike out at the shop, which he ended up having. His stator ended up going bad. I think I still have the pictures, which I'll throw them up right here. That was the stator. It completely disintegrated. So, yeah, me and Kyle didn't ride for a few months, which kind of sucked, honestly. But then his bike was done. A few weeks later, my bike was done. And I was kind of happy. Oh, bro, this car moved over and didn't let me pass. I'm going on the left. He moved over. I mean, I don't know if he was moving over to the left or to the right to let me through, but anyway, so yeah, turns out exhaust was just shut. Also, my clutch return spring right there on the bottom was actually bad, which ended up causing the clutch actuator to go bad. I'll throw pictures up right here. Got all that replaced. They told me bike will stop overheating or getting warm if you change the exhaust. I ended up just straight piping the thing. I'm happy. Bike ride's great. Also, thank you to Vic, which we still got to upload that video eventually, from his old ZX6R. He gave me the old tires off of it, which were brand new. Thank you to Vic. Other than that, dude, this bike rides amazing with these new tires. It rides so good. It feels like I have way more control of the bike, actually. So, I'm happy. I love the bike. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go get some food because I'm hungry as shit. We're testing Joey's skill right now just to go and see how he does. He's doing pretty good actually on this new bike. We'll do a walk around right now when we get to Cratera. We'll do a walk around of my exhaust. I'm gonna do a video on his. Now the only thing that sucks is when he went to go ride at home, for some reason the GoPro stopped working. So he recorded it, it just didn't get the audio, but I'll throw music over it, whatever. This bike is tuned on a Pro Commander. We'll ride. We'll see if Joey will let me ride his bike. He probably will. And then you guys will see the video of me riding Kyle's bike. Oh, they keep closing the gap on me, bitches. Oh shit, Joey's keeping up. I look in my mirror and Joey's right there behind me. Oh shit, Joey. I keep forgetting I have a stunt cage, so I can't squeeze through tight spots. That's what I keep forgetting. Yeah. Cause if I hit that on a fucking car, like if it catches, I'm flying off the fucking bike. I'm gone. Oh shit, screen. We're gonna turn left right now. Right here. Oh, bumpy bumps. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Fuck! So back to where I was. Yes, so let me show you my exhaust really quick. Hopefully you guys can see it pretty decently. Damn. Yeah!
You see me fucking gun it?
Yeah.
Why you took off?
Yeah. So this is my exhaust. I just have this on there for heat shield purposes, so it doesn't mount this for now. But yeah, there's that. And then let's go over to Joey's bike. So this is his new Yamaha MT-09. It does have a full toast system, which I love. It sounds really good. For him, he is a little short, so we are going to lower it a little bit. Other than that, it has the frame sliders. Other than that, it's a nice bike. Some damage. Let me show him. Some damage right here, I guess. Not the previous owner, but the first owner pretty much, I guess, tried doing a wheelie and it kind of went over on him. Whatever. They do have a different seat. And then go over to Vic's bike, a 2005 Yamaha R1. I love it. I love the chrome wheels on it, which we are going to polish up a little bit. It is lowered, even though Victor's tall as hell. It is lowered. He does want to raise it. Like, it's so low, I can flat foot the bike, and I can't fully flat foot my bike. So, by that, Yamaha R1, like I said, it is tuned on a Power Commander, dyno tuned, dyno custom on the Power Commander, let's say. Rides, I rode it, rides good. I still want to get my view on it. Other than that, got Joey's MT-09, got my ZX6, got Victor's R1. We still got Kyle's R1, which, like I said earlier, that video will be coming up pretty soon. Other than that, guys, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, other than that, we'll see you guys later. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You guys will see more motovlogs with our cars. So, again, guys, we'll see you later.